Hello everyone, my name is Steve Doshi. I am pursuing my mechanical engineering in LJ University. Today's my project topic is the manual floor cleaner. The primary purpose of this project is to design and develop an innovative manual floor cleaner that addresses the limitations of existing cleaning tools. The goal is to create a device that is not only effective in cleaning but also easy to use, affordable, and versatile enough to handle different types of floor surfaces like tiles, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. This project aims to enhance the efficiency of manual floor cleaning by incorporating modern design principles and materials. The manual floor cleaner will be designed to minimize the physical effort required by users, thereby making it accessible to a broader range of people, including those people who are physically challenged. When we move machine forward and backward, simultaneously the machine's mobility is enabled by the coordinated rotation of its wheels and sprockets. These components work simultaneously to ensure smooth movement across the floor, allowing the machines to access the different areas for comprehensive cleaning. Furthermore, the continuous movement of the machine powers the rotation of its mop. As wheel turn, the motion is transmitted through the sprockets driving the mop rotation. This mechanism guarantees through mopping and cleaning the floor during operation. As a result, the core of its cleaning mechanism lies in the rotational action of the mop. This mop is activated and powered by a wheel that interfaces with both a sprocket. This mechanical arrangement ensures consistency and effective cleaning, efficiency tackling the dirt, stains, and grime from the floor surface. It is used in various spaces like homes, hospitals, school, colleges, and commercial spaces. The future of floor cleaning machine technology appears promising with advancement likely focusing in efficiency, automation, and sustainability. Expect innovations in robotic cleaners equipped with AI for intelligence, navigation, and cleaning pattern recognition and integration with IoT could enable remote monitoring and scheduling. Moreover, developments in battery technology may be lead to longer runtime and faster charging, anticipate eco-friendly designs with a reduced water and energy consumption alongside materials that minimize environmental impact. In summary, the future of floor cleaning machines is poised to deliver smarter, greener, more effective, and solutions for maintaining cleanliness in various settings. By using manually operated floor cleaning machine, a clean surface can be obtained. As the desired effect is for dry and wet cleaning is done simultaneously. The human effort is reduced to a great extent. The work of sweeping and wiping is also saved as it runs on clean energy. It also environmental free. Here I conclude my project of manual floor cleaning machine.